still there is a need of improvement in pronunciation. English teachers, please help them out. Thirdly, the thought as well as that news, especially news. Only 2-3 line news won't do, isn't it? At least in one event, 2-3 lines should be there. Likewise, 7-8 lines or 4-5 lines at least it should be. Class teachers, please help students to take out the news in that fashion. Secondly, I hope you are enjoying your periodic test 3 as compared to day 1 and 2. Today's exam should be still more interesting, still more devoted, still more focused, because these impressions are only be helping you into the final exam. And after final exam also there will be next year exam. So whenever whatever exam will be you will appear for, there will not be hesitation in your mind. Otherwise there is a fear, क्या होगा. So fearful minded लोग ज़्यादा पनपते नहीं, है ना? The confident people only they get the opportunity or they can grab the opportunity which comes. Otherwise इसमें नहीं, बाद में दिखाएगा करके वो बाद में दिखाएगा का आदत के कारण ही वो नहीं दिखा पाता, isn't it? इसलिए as suggested, take this today's exam also as if after this there is no exam. Your whole naseeb is depending upon today's exam. In this fashion, if you take, you will get a lot of benefit out of it. I hope you understand and you will do accordingly. And invigilators, they will come forward when the name will be taken, and with them you escort your student. Let them sit in the class. By that time the question paper arrangement will be done.